Okay, Ron, I'm trying to figure out how to say this in 5 minutes. You have a website right here. You do a radio show. You have an email list. We can do PPC and SEO. When this is ready, which it is not ready, and you can also do snail mail, okay? So to keep this under 5 minutes, you want this person over here to be happy and to give you money. So the deal is, how are you going to get these people on the radio show to come to your website and then fill out a form in here to where you capture the lead? It comes through this funnel right here, and in here is the CRM. Okay, that's the CRM. All this other stuff is not being implemented right now. So you need to have some bond and trust. You need to bond with the people, so you're bonding with them right here, okay? And you need to give them a little free gift. So the free gift, we already wrote that. I wrote it, and it's this little special report. It's the special report that you're going to mail out during your cold leads to hot prospects, which I had shown Corinne how to do, but she needs to mail this thing and print it out. And it's probably not being done because I have to go over it and over and over. 5 minutes, that's all I want to do. So this is going to be the free thing. Okay, so this is your web page, and we're going to have a little web capture here. It's going to be first name, last name, email, and phone number. All right, and when they put their name and email in here, right, when they go to your website, they're going to get your free report. And the only way they're going to get your free report is by putting their name and email in here. Now, a few things are going to happen. Once they get in there, first of all, before they might go to your web page and they may not enter their name and email, that's going to bring them back over to here to where they may see you on the internet, or you may send them a snail mail, whatever. Okay? Then once they come here, if they opt in, then they go in the CRM. Now you're talking to them, you're saying things, but there's some holes right here that I want to talk to you about. And some of those holes are going to be people coming to the website and they're not staying on the website because you don't have lead capture. That's one hole. Another hole is you capture their information, but you don't build any relationship with them. That's another hole. And another hole is they buy from you, and this is the worst one, is they buy from you, they come through this hole, and they go into this trash can because you don't upsell them, okay? And to upsell is easier than all of this other stuff. And this is what we're gonna talk about, this is what we're gonna talk about, and this is what we're gonna talk about. But first of all, we gotta get everything set up. We need to get this set up so when they come in here, you have the free report. I already have the free report. Once they put their name and email in here, you need to have a drip email campaign. We already have a couple drip email campaigns. One is your videos that you already took massive action making the videos. I already designed all this. Once they fill this out, they're gonna come this way. If you don't get in touch with them, they're gonna be getting these emails once a month. You're gonna be doing what's called the bond and trust. So this is the bond, and the trust is gonna be this, okay? Once you get through the bond and trust, then you gotta actually, you're gonna capture the leads, and in there's gonna be money magnets in here. I don't wanna go into that, but there's other way you generate leads with mixers, lists, referrals, previous clients. I can go into all that. This does all that, but this is all you're doing right here. I'm talking about all of this, okay? I know we went over 5 minutes, but you gotta convert the sales. So I'm assuming you have either PayPal, which you probably don't, you have some type of merchant service, authorized net, whatever. We can get you set up on all that. Then, here's another thing. Once you go through the sales process, and once they buy from you, and you get this, how do you thank them? We automate that. We send them an automated thank you, right? When you send them the thank you, then you build more bonding and trust here. And once you build that, guess what happens? Over here, boom, you get referrals. And all these people right here are gonna be people that are gonna be easier to close than these people over here because they're getting it straight from this person. Yes, call her on. This is the whole marketing machine that I'm talking about. So I'm gonna ask you one question. What is the super cool thing that you do that other people that do what you do don't do? I'm gonna ask that question again. What is the super cool thing that you do that other people that do what you do don't do? That's the thing that we need to find. And then that's gonna do all this. That's gonna be the value. So we're gonna get out of this. Okay, you got that down. We're gonna be doing all of this, and this is what generates that. Okay, we gotta get into marketing. Client relationship manager is just for building relationships with clients. We need to generate more clients, build those relationships, get that client retention, and upsell them. This does everything. And there's one thing that's super cool in there that you're gonna do on your radio show that I'm gonna tell you about next time we talk, okay? I hope you watch this whole video. Let's talk Monday. I'll talk to you soon.